What's up and good morning, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna do something a little bit different. A lot of you guys, when I got my new brush mower, or flail mower, we're like, hey, we wanna show some videos of you mowing. And well, it's probably gonna be the least amount of talking I've ever done in a video, which some of you guys are probably gonna appreciate because you probably hate hearing me ramble all the time. So hey, for those of you that, think like that, you'll probably enjoy this one. The other day we swapped the belts over, so we have all brand new belts. I added a little bit more oil because I think we boiled a little bit of oil out of this thing when those belts started to overheat. Re-lubed everything, greased everything. Should be good to go. Again, we're not gonna do much talking. Let's get to mowing. guys, what a long day of mowing. I think I've been in the cab of the tractor for just under 8 hours. I took one like 10-minute break. That is a lot of seat time. I'm definitely sore in the rear end department here, that's for sure. But man, does this place look phenomenal. Now, unfortunately, we're coming into the season where all of this is gonna dry out. It's gonna die. It's probably gonna be brown by tomorrow because we chopped so much of this off. I think if we actually kept it trimmed more often and shorter, it would be a lot easier. I could move the tractor a lot faster. I'm currently doing all of this in second gear. There's a couple areas that HYPERLITE mowed with James's zero turn, and I was able to hit those in third gear because we're only chopping like that much off as opposed to, you know, almost 3 or 4 foot of that crazy mustard weed. So if we keep it short, we can mow faster, and I think it'll actually stay greener. At least visually from a distance, it'll look greener because you're not gonna see all of the dead stuff that we have chopped off today. That's all gonna turn brown, obviously much sooner than the stuff underneath it, but since there's so much of that on top, the entire area is just gonna look brown in a couple of days, I think. I don't really know. Clearly the weather, you know, we're not super sunny, so it might stay green for a little while longer, but look at all that. We mowed all of that all the way over there. We got through here, all up underneath these trees. I will say, I probably shouldn't be walking out here. Abel spotted another rattlesnake today, about a 5-footer. Unfortunately, it got away from him before he could eliminate that from the property, but it did go off the property, so that's good. We think it's the mom to the babies that we found the other day because it was in the same area, or the dad, I don't know. It is California, it could be 2 dads, I don't know. Anyways, I will say, in areas like this where there's so many trees, when I'm in a tractor like that, I try to make it like passes, almost like I'm in a Zamboni, right? Like I don't ever want to stop, back up, turn around, come over to here, stop, back up, do some weird stuff. So I'll come through here, do a pass, come all the way here, make some big long loop over here. Well, yes, you can kind of get pretty close to the trees. You can see like right there, I was able to get pretty close underneath with having the offset of the mower. You still can't get super tight to them. And in areas like this, while a tractor is so much faster on the giant open fields, I think a zero turn mower, as long as again we keep it short so the zero turn's not bogging down with the super tall stuff, it's quicker to do this whole area with a zero turn. But now that we have a control on everything and we have a mower here, because again we've never had a mower here other than a standard push mower, which we kind of used for a lot of stuff, I think we'll be able to keep everything controlled better. Same with like all the roads around here. You know, before I had the tractor, these roads would just they would disappear. They would turn back into this. You let that road go unmaintained for like a month, it starts to look like this very quickly. Well, now that I have a tractor, I can run around in like 30, 45 minutes, get all the roads right back to where they should have been, versus letting them get overgrown and then now I'm fighting for hours and hours and hours to try to get the roads back. So I'm very stoked on that mower. It has worked flawlessly today with the new belts on it, which is awesome. You guys can see I've definitely rough on this thing. Oh, I didn't realize we're losing that much of the old back flap, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, we've definitely lost some back flap meat right there. Big old chunk of it missing. Is what it is. And then I don't know if you guys can see it, but she's got some bruises from some big stuff that we picked up inside, and it shot up. And obviously, you know, this stuff's not super thin, but it's not as super thick. So we got some pretty big dings and deflections in the steel. Now I would keep going, but I'm out of fuel. So I'm gonna take that as a sign that I should probably just call it quits for the day. Let me take you guys back over to the deck and show you how nice the field looks. It was so long overdue. There was some pretty hefty mustard weed plants and a couple of others, lavender out there. I'm honestly impressed with how much I got mowed today. There's a couple spots where I missed because you kind of have to figure out, like this thing starts to walk a little bit, so you can see it's not straight on behind me. So as you're doing passes, like if you were, you know, using a lawnmower, oh no, it's yelling at me for not having fuel. Whoa, look at that. There's a balloon going across the property. Look at this, guys. We got the backyard grass mowed. HYPERLITE came out and mowed all of this. Oh, we've got the horses probably about to go christen it. Maybe, sort of. All right, we'll leave you in privacy. Gunner, want to say hi to everybody? Yep, okay. No, you got to go remark what the horse just marked. Alrighty, y'all, here is what she looks like, all nice and mowed. Again, we got all the way to, there's a road that I cut right there before it starts to go up the hill. So we got all the way out there. We did all of this, all of that section right there. It's a pretty hefty amount of mowing. I'm very happy with it though. Man, this looks, I do wish it stayed like this year round, this green. I don't wish it grew this much year round. Summertime is a nice break from having to deal with the crazy growth from all the rain, but then we get a whole new set of challenges with the fires and all that and yada yada. That's why we're trying to take care of all of this now. Thankfully today was super overcast. There was a lot of moisture in the air. There's a lot of moisture last night. So it was a great day to mow without having to worry about sparking a fire. Because like I said in previous videos, we basically have a very short time window of being able to mow before it's too hot. You don't want to go too early, right? If we would have mowed a couple weeks ago, it all would have grown back already. So you got to find that fine line to where you can cut it and it's not going to grow back before the dry season. So I hope we hit it right. I don't want to put another 8 hours into this field. However, we do have at least another 8 hours of mowing the property. We still have to finish out that side, which is the just gnarly, jaggedy, rocky horses going for a trot. Okay, yep, all right. You do you, you do you. You know what the people want? The people want a woof. Can you give me a woof? That was a good woof. Can you give me a... Oh, yeah. Nice big boy. Oh, jeez, I don't think you can get any closer. Can you give me a big wolf? Oh, that was a big wolf. Good girl. Okay, thank you, thank you. I know, you're a good girl. And oh, jeez, no, you can't climb up me right now. We gotta put that, okay, yeah, all right, yep. The horse is on one today. Gunner's trying to keep up in his old age. But I think with that, we're gonna wrap up this video. Let me know if you guys like this type of video. It's, again, I mean, it's not like we mow this every day, but, you know, less talking, more action, time-lapsey, I don't know. A lot of you probably wanted drone shots. Unfortunately, my drone didn't survive a video we did like a couple of months ago. So one of these days I'll get another drone. I'm waiting for like the next generation of drones to come out, and then we can, you know, we'll get you some more drone shots. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now that we do not miss out on any future content. Don't forget to give this video a like, a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com, because if there's anything you want in this life, you gotta be willing to work for it. You guys are the best. I'm out.
Damn. Yeah.